Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to convert PDF to Word on iPhone. So the first step is to simply open any browser and then simply search for convert PDF to Word and then simply scroll down until you see this one here. So simply tap on that and then what you're going to have to do is simply select your PDF file. So I'm going to choose my template and then I'm going to open it. And then what you're going to have to do is simply tap on convert to Word. And then what you're going to have to do is simply tap on apply OCR. Or you can simply, as you can see for this, you're going to need an account. Or you can simply go without the OCR here. So I'm going to try again. And then basically what you're going to have to do is, as I said earlier, select without OCR. And basically that's all you have to do. Now, the next step is to simply tap on the download button and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.